Hey guys, thanks for stopping by SmokinSteve today. We're going to be making some chocolate peanut butter banana ice cream. I just love that peanut butter and that ice cream. It's good stuff. Guys, I don't know whether you got the Ninja CREAMI yet, but these things are addictive. It's fun coming up with your own flavors and mixing stuff up. You just feel like a kid again. So we're going to show you what we're going to put in this and show you the recipe, show you how to do it. It's going to be fun, and it's going to make for some good eating. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, guys, as you can see, we got our bananas already added in there. There's maybe, all total, they were frozen, they were kind of cut, and maybe 3 total bananas in there. We're going to be adding this protein drink in there. It's creamy chocolate fudge. So we're going to add the whole container of that. And then for the peanut butter, we're going to be using 2 tablespoons of peanut powder. So once we get all that in there, get it all mixed up, we'll taste it and see if we need to make any adjustments. And then we're going in with 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. We're going to take our Immersion Blender and give that guy a mix. And get that all mixed up good. I think that's going to do it. Now it's just a matter of giving it a taste. See what she tastes like. Okay, give me a little spoonful full here. Give it a try. Oh, wow. That's really good. It's really good. Get that banana flavor, got that chocolate flavor, and got some peanut butter coming through. So this is really going to be good. So this is a pretty important step, guys, to do that taste test after you get it poured in the container, because after you get it in the freezer and bring it out, it's too late to make any adjustments. So let's go ahead and get that poured in the container and see if that fills it up. Okay, we got poured in our container, and we're up to the line there on the scoopables. Now for that dreaded 24-hour wait. We got to throw it in the freezer, let it sit in there for 24 hours, and then it'll be ready to make some ice cream. So I'm going to go ahead and get her in the freezer, then we'll be making that ice cream tomorrow. Okay, that wait's over. It's time to make some ice cream. I got that pulled out of the freezer here now. We're going to pop the lid off, see what she looks like. Okay, here she is. Looking pretty yummy. But as you can see, there's a little bit of lump here in the middle. A little raised place right there in the center. We're going to get a spoon out and scrape that down and level that all out across there. It says in the instructions, you want to make sure that's level so you don't damage the Ninja CREAMI. Okay, we've got that all scraped down now. It's all level across there. So it's just a matter of putting that in the outer container and getting the lid. Lock that into place. Slide that guy straight in. Spin it to the right, and it locks into place. And we're going to power this guy on. We're going to select full, And you can select whatever you want over here with this dial. We're going to select ice cream. Shows 2 minutes. And we're going to hit start. And once we hit start, that blade is going to make its way all the way down to the bottom. And it's going to come back up. And generally we have to do a respin because it comes out a little crumbly. But we'll see how it comes out today. So let's get this thing rocking and rolling. Okay, just went to 1. It's going to go to 0 here in a minute and shut down. And then we're going to pull it out and take a look at it. Okay, just went to 0 and shut down. So all we need to do is hit this release button over here on the side. Give it a spin. Pull it straight out. Let's take a look at it. Okay, it's looking a little crumbly, but it's not too awfully bad. So we're going to go ahead and do a respin. See how it comes out after the first respin. Sometimes you have to do 2. And after the respin, if it's not creamy enough, I'll add a little bit of liquid to it. So let's go ahead and put it in and do a respin. Okay, I got it back in the creamy. So all we do is select full again. Still on ice cream. And we just select respin right here. Okay, after the respin, it's looking pretty good, looking pretty creamy. So we're going to go with this. I'm going to get me a couple scoops out here, and we're going to be doing a taste test. My favorite part. Okay, look how creamy that is. That's really looking good. Got me a couple scoops out. Well, there ain't one thing left. Look at that. Guys, if you got a favorite recipe, favorite flavor, be sure to share that in the comments. Let me know what you like. We're going in. Oh, wow. That is so good. That banana, that chocolate, that peanut butter, it's all working together. This is really good. You're going to love this. Guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one.